Hey Mom, what are you watching?
Take a look at this.
Basically, to real news.
Thank you, and welcome to our show. Today's top story is that Bayan City is celebrating Bayan National Pride Day. Now let's go over to Mr. Daniel, who is standing in the buildings. Daniel, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you proudly and clearly. I'm standing outside waiting for the Pride Month to start. As you can see, the people are excited for the National Pride Month of 2022. The marathon will start at 7 this evening.
I'm so excited for the Pride Month this year.
Yes, I'm so excited.
So, what are you waiting for? Go celebrate the National Pride Day of 2022.
Wow, I cannot believe Pride Month is opening for free.
Mom, can you take me to the Pride Month?
Well, you have to pay first before you go.
Mom, have you seen Boris? He is supposed to help me do my homework.
Well, go check in the kitchen if he's there or not.
Okay. Mom, Boris is not there.
What? Boris is not here?
Yeah, he just went to the bar with Placid Caillou and Boris.
I go check in his room.
Heidi, wake up. Sir.
Hello, is anyone here? Well, I better go walk over there. I wonder who lives here. Who are you, sir?
It is I'm Jesus Christ, the Father of us all. Oh, we're just sitting at the bar waiting for our It seems you're lost, by the way. I made
Yes,
the
I
decision
am
about
lost.
what are we going to make today.
I got kicked out of the house for no reason. My mother Doris has a new member. Can you help me, please? Can you help me to get me back to Bayan City?
Of course I will help you. Come with me. I'm going to show you where your new home. Right this way, please. Can I have 2 cheeseburgers, 1 large beef and salad, 6 medium-sized large and large burgers? Okay, already next to 10 minutes. I'll sit there and wait for your very good. So, what we are waiting for. What did you say?
What's your decision?
We're going too far away from
Very stop.
is here. Here is your meal. 2 double cheeseburgers, 1 leafy green salad, medium-sized fried chicken, and large drinks. Enjoy. Wow, would you look at that? We got a bunch of fast food. We got medium-sized fried chicken, soda, and 2 cheeseburgers, and fries. Let's eat the shit up.
is taking so long to get back?
Well, Dora, I'm afraid I can't go to the park today. It's almost close to my bedtime.
Kilo, can you come here for a second?
Anyway, I have to go now. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, talk to you later. Bye, Caillou.
Bye, Dora. Yes, Mom. Why did you call me over?
I just got a phone call from Grandma and told me you're gonna stay in her house while I'm going to work.
Wow, really?
Yes. Now do me a favor. Go tell Rosie, Lily, Daisy, Agnes, Sapphire, Emily, and Cody.
Okay, Mom.
Man, I feel full after eating enough salad.
Yeah, I ate too much fried chicken.
I know, I'm so exhausted. Guys, it's getting late. Should we go home?
Yeah, I think we should go home before Doris finds out where we are.
Don't worry. I'll drive you all home. Just get in my minivan and I'll drop you off. Okay, so, if you're having trouble going inside, just let me know, okay?
Okay, Tories. Thanks again. Hello? Doris? All right, I guess no one is here. Oh well, I go check the back door. Huh? Why is the keypad wrong? I got the correct code. I swear I got it correctly. Let me see the keypad. This code should be correct. But how did it get incorrect? That's impossible, you know. Let me try again till it works. Oh, come on. Why, the code is always wrong. I swear the code is always right. You know, I just gave up.
So, is anyone in the house?
No, they're not here.
Oh well, hop back in. We're going back to the bar.
No, no, Tories. Wait.
Yes,
Can we stop at your house?
of course. Hop in.
Hey, sweetie, where do you think boys are? It's after midnight.
Oh, to be honest, they're sleeping in their cabins. I told them once, so I gave it to them. Sometimes they're nice to me, and we used to play badminton.
Maybe you shouldn't treat them that way.
Trust me, they're pretty good at this.
Bro, I found something in the basement.
What is that?
I found the hidden treasure that I ever saw.
What's inside it?
Is it toy great? Watch it spins and go round like it.
Boy, it's already past yours.
When it's my turn to play, be patient, man. You will get a turn next.
Hey, what's that toy doing on the ground? This game hasn't been invented yet. It's supposed to be made of metal.
Well, come on, Dad. We just bought the game.
I know, son, but the toy costs $6.89. We will pay for it so you can play with it. Anyway, it's your play. You should be sleeping by now. Okay, good. Now both of you get to your beds.
Hey, Grandma, will you be alright if I sleep in this bed?
Sure, unless you don't get sprained.
Okay. Well, good night.
Good night. Let me know if there's anything wrong.